Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, May or English. Today is day 82 of my English speaking challenge, and today I am going to share with you a very simple topic like what I see around me. So this is a English practice for me. In this in this I am doing just or I am doing or I am just talking about what are the things I can see around me. Like it's a very beginner friendly for to describe the objects or to identify what are the objects in front of you and talking about them so that you will get your fluency. And if you practice in this type daily, you will get better fluency and better communication skill one day. So right now I am at my rooftop of my house. So I can see that there is a toy car. Like in my house, there are 2 to 3 children. They they are playing always on rooftop when they feel there is no hot. Like when weather is getting cold or in evening time, children are come here on the top of the roof to play some things. So there are too many stuffs for that children, like a tractor, their wheels, and one bike is also present near me. So children are very active and children are very curious also, and they talking about each other and doing lots of fun. Sometimes I also enjoy with them because I love children, and sometimes I play with children. So that time I feel very happy. And now talking about another things. Right now my phone is connected to my selfie stick and my selfie stick is on the bucket. Sorry, bucket. And I am sitting on a bridge so that I can easily record my English video. And in right side of my hand there is a cooler because you know that in NCR region they are too much hot because of that sometimes we come on the roof to sleep. That time we use our cooler so that we can feel cool. And in front of me there are too many things. One thing is this antenna for TV, and on my rooftop there are some plants of flowers and some plants for decorative like aloe vera and some normal plants are also like neems neem plant is also present there. And right now I can see that sky is very clear and it is shining, and the color of the sky is blue, and there are little bit amount of cloud also and they are in white in color. And right now I can saw that or I can watch that sun is settling down, like sun is going to towards their journey for sunset. That's why some color of the sky is in reddish color, and that it feels very awesome. Like it's really looks like very beautiful, and birds are flying here and there, and Also, one thing is that I come on my roof when I feel bored. So I come on my roof and sit there, sit here and watch the airplanes going from towards up. Like there are many airplanes go from this route. That's why I can able to watch airplanes sometimes in a small size, sometimes in big size, sometimes in bigger size. It depends on their height because sometimes airplanes go with minimum height, sometimes go with higher height. According to that, the size of airplanes is visible, and I feel very happy to see that and listen voice of the airplanes. And I think everyone do these stuffs in the children. So I when I do this thing in children, I feel happy. Right now, I am also doing, and I feel happy. That's why I'm doing that things. And in the evening times, some of the like most of the time, I come on my room and settle down near corner so that I can get more air. And in evening times, air is blowing. You can see that right now, air is blowing, and I feel cool, not hot. And yes, there are too many lots of things here, but I don't think so. I can give their names because some of the things are like wall, cements, surf, and some bottles are there. Soap is also present here, and what water tank on the roof of the building. And I feel today good because after too many days I come here because from previous days I am living with my friends, but today I came here and today I eat aloo paratha, and after too many days I feel yes, I am eating today. I get some foods with cooked by mom and it's very delicious. That's why I feel very happy. And today, and if I am talking about today's normal bit going on, and everything is fine. So that's it for today, guys. See you in next video. Oh, and one important thing, I will suggest you to, if you want to improve your English or if you want to speak English in front of anyone, then please start as early as possible. As you can see that I am practicing with our environment, like what I can see that in this way you can also see your like talk yourself that I am watching this, I am seeing this. You can see that there is a cooler, it gives it cool air. In this when we fill water, it's more cooler than previous, and if you fill the some ice, then the air is very cold. You can talk with yourself in this way, and or if you are not able to make bigger sentence, then no matter, just try to speak a smaller sentence. If you are not able to complete a smaller sentence also, no matter, try to name the objects only. Like you can say that this is a table, yes, chair, uh, bed, almirah, clothes, and try to make small sentence like this is my clothes, this is my toothbrush, this is my bed, this is my room. In this way, if you are practicing, you will get success easily after some times. You don't mean that I am talking about sometimes that you will get full success in your fluency level of English in within 1 week, because it's not a 1 week plan. You have to work very hard, and if you want to become very fluent, then you have to practice a lot of things.